Okay, this is Mrs. Murphy from Weber State University. We're going to take you through the DOS or command line treasure hunt. Now when you first download the file, you'll want to extract it. So I'm just going to extract it, and you want to extract it into your documents folder. Really it doesn't matter so long as you can navigate to it again, but just for the sake of the directions, I'm going to navigate to the documents directory. Then I'm going to extract it all there. It'll take a second or two, and it should be there. There it is. Okay, so when I want to, I can tell that it's there. If you right click and go to the properties, it will say it's in C, users, whatever your username is. Mine happens to be Chupacabra, sorry, and then there's documents. So now when I open up my command prompt, I can find that it's the same thing. It's C, users, Chupacabra. Now in order to go to that start file, I've got to go to this documents directory. So I'm going to say CD documents and press enter. Now if I want to see that file, I can do a dir, and I can see somewhere in here is that DOS treasure hunt. I've got a lot of files in there, sorry. Anyway, I'm just going to do a CD to it so we can keep going. So I'm going to do CD DOS treasure hunt. Now I'm in that particular directory, and I can see because it's right here. Now I'm going to do a dir. So I come to a dir and I see a bunch of files. Now if you don't see these files, you might see another folder that says DOS treasure hunt. That just means that when you extracted it, it put another folder in here and then put all these files in the other folder. So if that's the case, just go do a CD to whatever folder that is, and keep going down until when you do a dir, you can see all of these files which match all of these files. Okay, so now I know that I'm in this directory for sure. I'm going to go to the start file because that's what I do. And remember, if you type in the more command, it will let you view the contents of the text file in your command prompt. So I'm going to say more start.txt. And then there is my treasure hunt. Look at that, we've started on a DOS treasure hunt. We're going to follow all the clues. Okay, so then it's going to take you to the next file, and you're going to type, and it should tell you what to type. I'm going to type in more next.txt, and that will view the second file in the list. And then you can read the story and tells you what it has to do. Then we're going to go to the last file. In this case, it's the more last.txt. Now if there's ever any files that it doesn't take you to a command prompt at the end, let's see, let me think of one that might be that way. I think no. Was it north? Now I'm showing you all the clues, aren't I? That one wasn't very. There's one that's like really long. There it is. It's in south. Let me just show you really quick. CD south. That changes me into that directory, and I want to view the file there, so I'm going to do a dir. I could see there's one called cannibal, so I'm going to say more cannibal.txt. It will show you the contents of the file, but in this case it doesn't all fit on the screen. There's this more 89%. If you just keep pressing enter until you get to 100%, it will take you there we go. Now it'll take you back to your command prompt. So long files, it doesn't show the entire thing at a time. The DOS treasure hunt is more of a practice. If you actually look at the homework assignment, the only thing you're responsible to do is to answer the questions at the end. This is just a fun way to try to practice and try learning. If you get confused and frustrated with the treasure hunt, just know that all you have to do is answer the questions at the end of the chapter, and you'll do just fine. All right, good luck with the DOS treasure hunt.